Hello students, in this video lesson you're going to learn how to sketch isometric pictorials on JS Paint. You will receive a presentation that looks like this that contains the links needed for you to get started with drawing on JS Paint. So you'll follow these steps. Step 1 is to open JS Paint, so just click on that link and it'll open up the software we're going to be using. Let's go back to that. And in this lesson, we're learning about isometric drawings. So click on the link and you want to copy the link. So you want to click on that copy button. So this is for isometric. Then you're going to want to go back to your paint program and you will do this for all of the drawings. You have to go to File, Load from URL, paste in that link you just copied, and click Load. Okay, I'm going to ignore this message because it's asking me about file management. So here we have our isometric paper. If we want to see the whole sheet, we can go to View, Zoom, and Zoom to Window, and you can see the whole sheet. I like to see it in normal size. You should first get in the habit of clicking on the text tool and then clicking on the transparent option. Then scrolling down and typing your name. So you click and drag a box, type your name, and with all engineering drawings, everything should be in capital letters here. Type your name. If you want to change the font to something else, that's fine. 12 is a good size. Whatever the title is for the assignment that you're doing, and then of course date and whatever period you have me. So get in the habit of doing that first. Okay, so this is isometric paper. I'm going to first teach you how to draw a cube, and then you'll see the other drawings that I expect you to do for this lesson and future lessons. So what you want to do is you want to click on the line tool. You'll see there's a lot of tools on the left side, and we have this nice line tool, and we want the medium thickness. So I click the line, click the medium thickness. Now if you're using a computer mouse, this should be pretty straightforward. What you do is click and hold, and what happens is it'll anchor a point to wherever you clicked first. If you hold down while you're moving the mouse, it'll create a nice line for you, and you can drag it down and then let go, and what happens is you create a line. So if you're using a mouse, it might be easier for you if you're using just your trackpad on your computer or your laptop. What you want to do is you want to use your right finger to line it up to an intersection, and then with your left finger click and hold down, and then with your right finger move it around to where you want it to be, and then let go of your left finger. So what I'm drawing right here is a little cube. So watch me draw this first, and then I want you to try that. So I'm clicking, holding down, dragging down, letting go. Clicking, dragging to the left. To the right. Clicking and dragging up, letting go, clicking, dragging, letting go, clicking, holding, dragging, letting go, and there we have a 1 by 1 unit cube. So on isometric paper, this is 1 unit. So one little cube is 1 unit. And you can see there's like these little grayed out, very faint lines of triangles. Those triangles help create the angles that create this 3D looking cube. So for this assignment, what I want you to do is fill up the entire sheet of isometric paper with cubes. So the next cube is going to be 2 wide or 2 deep, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. So let me draw that one and show you. So I'm going to make it too long in this direction. So this cube is 2, 2, 2. Your next cube is going to be 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, and so on. And then if you have any empty spaces, fill it up with 1 by 1 cubes, the little guys right here. And you'll have a full page of cubes. Your title for this will be Isometric Cube Practice. What you'll do once you're finished is you need to go to File and upload to IMGUR, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, or you can save it to your computer and submit it that way. If you were to upload to Imgur, what happens is this. You click on that, you upload, and then it gives you a link. That link opens up to this website, and you can you can copy and paste this link and I'll be able to see it. Or you can then right click on the image and save it as whatever file name you're going to save it as, and attach it that way, put it into your Google Drive, submit it in the classroom in that fashion. Let me click OK here. If you mess up while you're making something, click on Edit and click Undo. Or on your keyboard, you can press Control-Z. That is the undo button for pretty much every single piece of software you'll ever use. Control-Z is undo. Okay. So for this assignment, you're practicing your isometric cubes on isometric paper. I want you to also notice that on your classwork page, the materials section contains all the links for JS Paint, for multi-view paper, which you may or may not know about already, graph paper, which is where we started drawing obliques and other graphics, the JS Paint link, and the isometric paper link. Okay, so you should have this How to Sketch Isometric Paper, isometric pictorial lesson on this Google slide with links as needed. There's some arrows here showing you other things. Slide 3 is going to contain this video that I'm currently making. It's not on here yet for obvious reasons. It'll be there though. So that's what you're doing for this assignment, filling up the isometric sheet with cubes, saving it, and submitting it. If you have questions or you get stuck, please reach out and ask for help. And of course, if you're watching this on the YouTube page that I posted it on, the links for JS Paint and the isometric paper will be in the description of this YouTube video. So good luck and have fun drawing isometric pictorials.